Greetings, YouTube pipe community. Peter Piper, the True Light, coming to you at 18:17 hours Eastern Standard Time, minus 4 hours Greenwich Mean Time for my global subscribers. Housekeeping, I'm smoking my Savin LE 626 Treve, relatively new pipe. Haven't burned it out yet, but it is a hot smoking pipe. In it, I'm smoking Peter Stokkebye Luxury Twist Flake. Really nice flake Virginia blend. Great all day smoke. Beverage of the evening, I am smoking. I am drinking some Johnnie Walker Black Label Scotch whiskey on the rocks. A favorite beverage of Christopher Hitchens, as I recall. Although I will say I prefer my single malts to blended scotches, even though Johnnie Walker Black is a premium blended Scotch whiskey. For the price, I'd rather go for a Balvenie Doublewood or something of that sort. So, question for the YTPC community. If you get a blowout on a pipe, or even if you're getting a cratering in the bottom of your bowl, what do you use to fill that in? I don't know what to use because I've actually burned out a third pipe now. I would have shown it to you this evening, but I can't find it for some reason. But I blew out my Triple B billiard, and just the way I smoke, I guess. My pipes that have survived are my thick-walled pipes, which include my Peterson XL315, my large Meerschaum pipe, and my small Joe's straight pot. And all those pipes have one thing in common, in that they have a conical bowl which tapers down to the bottom in the point of a cone, basically. With my rounded pipes, like this one, I have to be careful. And for this one, which I hope doesn't fail me, I frequently feel the bottom of the bowl with my hand, and I know if the bottom of it is getting hot, it's at the bottom of the bowl and it's time to knock it out and call it a day. And so far I've been pretty good with it, but last time if you knock it out and it's hot and the plug of tobacco knocks out and it's still smoking, you know that you've been smoking briar and not only tobacco. So I'm trying to be careful with it. But yeah, guys, let me know. How do you repair a blown out pipe? Love to know. Gonna relight. Mm. Beautiful evening out on the deck here. The sun is just over the yard arm, and it'll be down in probably another hour and a half or so. But it's probably the first mild day we've had here in southern Rhode Island in a few days. It's been quite chilly lately. I'm wearing my hoodie. Everything's blooming though. Um, got the fertilizer spread out on the lawn, and it's pretty well watered in now. The bees are busy in the forget what these things are called now. Let me show you. I'll turn it slowly. But that's the magnolia tree. And Bonnie, what are these flowers called out here? You can see the bees are busy gathering nectar from this bunch of plants here. The oak trees are just starting to bud. I've got lots of red oak here, and I don't know of any maple. And I've got these two hideous pine trees which drop needles into my pool. My son refuses to let me cut it down. And I've got this big ass pine tree over here. Next hurricane, it'll probably crash into the house. But that's that. You can actually hear these guys buzzing. Busy guys, yeah. Pretty soon I'll be opening the pool, and no doubt you'll hear the tree frogs chirping away. Be sure to give you guys a rendition of that. Mm. Onion paws. Well, that's about it. Got a new table. New nothing else new, right? Anyway, I'll let you guys go. Coming up on 10 minutes here. Speak the truth, seek enlightenment. God bless. Peter Piper, the True Light, signing out. Bye-bye, folks.